Okay, well, we'll start. We found out that most of the lights work with the incandescent 12-volt incandescent bulbs that were in there, but we want to, of course, switch that over to LED. So I'm going to start with opening his headlights up and see what we got to do there to switch those over to the warm toned LEDs like we used in the other stuff. I don't want them to be so bright. Not only to not draw as much electricity and as many amps, but I don't want it to be bright when people are standing in front of it, that it blinds them like a regular car headlight would. So let's start with opening that up and see what we got. And we encounter another bezel. We love our bezels. We're gonna encounter another one of those here. It looks like these might, all you gotta do is loosen it up and then turn that just a little bit, and I think it comes off. The way it looks. So here's what we got. We're gonna have to get a whole different light fixture. The same ones we did. So I'll have to order 2 of those. We'll find out which one of these is the low beam. We can figure that out. We can make this work. This is doable. Well, I know we're going to need, I'm going to have to order that other fixture that we can put that other style LED bulbs in. It's just a blank light that we can put those LED style bulbs in. We'll figure out which one of these wires we need, which one's the ground. I'm guessing the green or the black. Or no, this is probably our ground. Black is our ground. So that's our negative. It's grounded through the frame, which is fine. And we'll use whichever one of these is high and low, because those bulbs we put in don't have a high and low. They're either on or off. So we'll figure out which one of them we need, and we'll start with the headlights first. So we'll get those parts ordered, then we'll work our way back from there. But I want to do the headlights first. So we'll start there and we'll work on this other stuff as we go. All right, well, I got the new headlight lenses ordered that we're gonna need for here. I've got the regulator that goes from the solar panel to the battery to the load, which is the lights. I've got a new one of them ordered that's higher amperage. It should be enough, 20 amp versus a 7 amp. Now I'm gonna open up those the marker lights up at the top of the cab, see what bulbs I need there. And then I'm going to open these up because these come on too. I'm not sure about these down here. We'll have to see about that. But I'm going to open them up next, and see what kind of bulb I need and see what we can find for a LED. Ooh, I don't want to break that. An LED version of those. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. I don't want to break that windshield. Get these opened up, see what I need in there. These marker lights. This is going to be one of those projects. I'm going to order what I can to get a few of these items out of the way, get them converted, then slowly narrow down the pieces I need to do this project. It's just going to work like that. Otherwise I get too many, the way my brain works, I get too many things on order and I don't know what I have and don't have. So I kind kind of got to work my way down the list, and we're not in a rush. It isn't like I gotta get this thing going right away. So there, what do they call this kind of bulb? An 11? I don't know what that says. I can't read the number on it. Let me open another one up. Well, there, I got all 5 of those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got all 5 of those marker lamp bulbs out. The numbers on a couple of them I think I can read, so I can figure out what I need. I'll get those ordered. I'm gonna open these lights up. See what I gotta do there. Is maybe the same kind of bulb, probably not. But we'll get them opened up. An 1141 style bulb in these. Let me see if this one, this would actually, I think this part is the turn signal, and then this part, these 2 bulbs here, I don't know if you can see that, there's 2 other bulbs here. Those must be the actual running lamps. So let's, we don't need the turn signal to work. In fact, I don't even want the turn signal to work. I just want the running lamp. So, you know, that's a different style. 1016 brand type. Let's see if we can get this one out too. I'm gonna open the other one up just to see what that one looks like. TS 1016. Well, that's gonna be about it for today. It's getting close to dark. Got the headlights ordered, the headlight enclosure ordered. I already have the bulbs I'm gonna need for those. I've got the higher amperage rated controller for the solar panel, which I think I'll need. I've taken the marker lamps apart and figure out what bulb I need for those marker lamps. I'll get an LED, 12-volt LEDs for those. I've got the running lamp and turn signal lamps apart. So I'll figure out what bulbs I need to replace those. So at least we can get that part done. I'm not going to take any more apart till I get that done. And then I'll work backwards from there on other things. So that'll be it for today. See you guys later.